What happened to you?
I just want to give God the glory, the honor that He deserved, and I thank God for sending me here to NuSpecies. This facility has been around for a while. I saw it, never paid attention to it. Last month, God said, go and check it out, which is what I did. For over 12 years, I had been suffering with this inflammation in my leg after I had my daughter here, a precious gift from the Lord.
What's your daughter's name?
Sydney Sullivan.
So Sydney, you watched your mother suffer for how long? A good while.
Yeah.
Okay.
And been to the best doctors as I worked for the finest world-class medical center.
Where?
NYU Medical Center. Even went to North Shore Medical Health Systems. Visited the best doctors when it comes to veins. They couldn't find what was wrong with me. Had a series of tests, some of them very painful, invasive, all of that.
What kind of tests? What were those tests?
I had ultrasound, CT scan. I even had the last exam where they did a special exam just for the vein, just to make sure that it wasn't any kind of blockage. By the grace of God, I went through that machine. I was petrified. Came back, they couldn't find nothing.
Did they do any biopsies?
They did everything that you can think of. They just couldn't find anything. The last thing my doctor said to me, and this is Dr. Rockman at NYU Medical Center, was like, Nancy, there isn't anything else that we can do.
He said that?
She said that. Physically, I am fine. What's causing the issue, we don't know. We can put you as part of a clinical trial, okay, where they can give me a pump, okay, that science is working on to see if they can help with the circulation. And now we're talking about money. My insurance company said they would cover it. However, the deductible was, as you know, ridiculous because it's trial. I came here, which was December 4th.
To where?
Here, NuSpecies, December 4th, 2013. I came, and by the grace of God, I was given this medication.
What did you take?
Very, very simple. I took the cleansing detoxify. I did that for a month. I also, and again, you have to be religious and diligent, and I was. Every morning I took my cleanse and detoxify. This is the one for the blood. I also took the cleanse and detoxify for my lymph nodes. And I believe this is the miracle, which is the inflammatory anti-infection. I took that religiously every morning. Today is January 4th, 2014. And by the grace of God, the swelling in my leg, my ankle is gone. I am able to actually feel my leg without any tenderness. I'm able to move my leg without any discomfort. I give the glory to God into this organization.
What organization?
NuSpecies.
Okay.